Hello children, today we are going to solve exercise 4.1 question number 6. Okay, so question number 6, it is given Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Permit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take M to be the number of Permit's marbles. Okay, so here we don't have to solve the question, we just have to form the equation, that is enough. So we have to form the equation. Hope all of you remember some of the tips I given in the previous videos. What does the word times means, more than, of, words like that I have already given in the previous videos. Please go through it, then it will be easier for you to identify what you have to do. So in this question, first we have to identify, there are two names, who are they? Irfan and Permit. You have to identify to whom we should give the variable and whose values we know. From the question itself, it is very clear that we know the values of Irfan, how many marbles Irfan has. We have to find out how many marbles Permit has, isn't it? So first you have to identify whose variable is to be given and let it right here. So I am going to take, let x be the number of marbles x be the number of marbles Permit has. We know the total number of marbles Irfan has. How many marbles he has? He has 37 marbles. But they have given certain conditions. That conditions we have to convert into equations. So read that condition very well, then it will be easier for you to form the equation. They have given that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Permit has. We have identified here the number of marbles Permit has is x. Then they have given 7 marbles more than. More than means which sign you have to put? Plus sign. 7 marbles more than 3 times, more than 5 times marbles Permit has. 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Permit has. 5 times. I have already told you 5 times means you have to write 5 into. 5 into. 5 times means 5 into. 5 times number of marble Permit has. We don't know how many marbles she has, but we have given x as the number she is having now. So we will write 5 times of number of marbles Permit has this way, 5 into x, plus how many more than? 7 more than 5 times. So we will write 5x plus 7. And we know the number of marble Irfan has. And this value is given to be 37. Okay, this is our equation. This is given as 5 times more marble, 5 times number of marble Permit has and 7 more than. So our equation can be written as 5 into x is 5x plus 7 equal to 37. So this is our equation. Hope you are clear with it. And let us move to second question. What is second question? Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. That you can take. We first write let Lakshmi's age be y years. Since we have to find out Lakshmi's age, we are taking her age as variable y. And it is already given that Her father is 49 years old and 4 years older than. That means plus 4. 4 years older than how many times? 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times Lakshmi's age we have taken y. So 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3 into y, that is 3y, and how much more? 3y plus 4. And what is the age given here? It is 49. 3y plus 4 equal to 49. This is the equation. 3 times or 4 is older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3y plus 4 and that value is 49. Okay. We are just forming the equation. We don't have to find the solution. Third question. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. Take the lowest score to be L. So again we are going to write, let L be the lowest score. L be the lowest score. Highest marks obtained by the student in the class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. Lowest mark is L. Twice the lowest mark means, how can we write? Twice means 2. Twice lowest mark is L. This is 2 into L, or twice the lowest mark plus 7. Twice the lower mark plus 7. And how much is the highest score? Highest score is 87. 2L plus 7 equal to 87. This is our third equation. 2 times the lower mark plus 7 is the highest mark. 2L plus 7 equal to 87. The last question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angles. Let the angle be B in degree. Remember, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. So if we draw an isosceles triangle, its two sides are equal, and it is given that it is a vertex angle. This is the vertex angle, and they have given that the vertex angle is twice either base angle. These are the base angles. If you have taken A, B and C, angle A and angle B are the base angles, and angle C is the topmost vertex angle. So it is given that this angle C is double that of angle A and B. And we have to use the angle sum property here. Angle sum property means if we add these three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, the total is always 180 in the case of a triangle. That is angle sum property, and we have to use it. So we can take the base angle as BD. Since both of them are same, we can take it as angle B. So we can write here, let the base angles be B. Let the base angles be B. And we have given that the angle C is twice base angle B. So before that, let me write the angle sum property of triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. When we add all these three angles, we should get 180. But it is given that angle A and angle B is small letter b. So we can write here angle B plus angle B. Then what will write angle C? It is given that it is twice the base angle. Twice means which number you have to put in front? You have to put 2 here. Which number? Twice the base. angles. So it is 2B. Okay, so this is 2B and the other one is B and B. That I will write here. Why it is written 2B? Because it is given in the question that the vertex angle is twice the base angles, and they were asked us to take the base angles as angle B. Twice the base angle means 2 into B, 2B. So once we add all these, we will get 180 degree. So how many B's are here? There is one B, here is the second B. One B is added to another B, we will get 2B. Then 2B plus 2B, it will be 4B equal to 180. This is our equation. 4B is equal to 180. Hope all of you have understood this. In the next class, we will be doing the next exercise. Till then,